You've been wanting to live with a park right outside your front door? You're gonna wanna see this West Seattle townhouse with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Let's go take a tour. Okay, can you guess in the comments below how much this townhome is listed for? This is one of the most low maintenance townhomes on the market right now. Not only is it right off of a green space, but as soon as you walk in, you get this awesome flex space. We have it set up as an office. You could use it as a workout studio, put your Peloton in here, and then there's a little bathroom here for you right off the garage, which the owner just added EV charging, and there's a ton of storage space in there. Now, the stairs were just replaced with hardwood flooring, so those go right up to this amazing living space. So what I love about this is even though this townhome is in the middle of 2 others, there's a ton of natural light because of these huge windows. I love that the kitchen is wraparound in an L shape, so it doesn't feel like those long and skinny narrow townhomes that we've grown to hate, can I say. On the 3rd level, we have a stackable washer and dryer right here, and not just 1 but 2 ensuite bathrooms. So this first bedroom you could use as your primary, or you could make this a guest room, or if you have family or a roommate living with you, they have their own bathroom. There's a linen closet right here for all of your storage, and then another bathroom right off the bedroom, actually connected to the bedroom here of this 2nd bedroom that looks out over this amazing green space that is protected. This isn't going anywhere. If you want a tour of this, DM me right now and guess in the comments below, what do you think the price of this townhome is? I'd love to know if you can get it right. This is in the High Point community of West Seattle, so let's hear your guesses now. One of the best things about this townhome is that it feels spacious. So they didn't build it like the long and skinny townhomes. You have this open living space with a gas fireplace. This is perfect, honestly, for entertaining because you can see from one end of the townhome to the other. And then again, coming back down to this flex space right off your garage, this is amazing landing zone if you're coming in from the rain or after you get out of the car. It's just perfect for an office or a gym or both, honestly, or you could create it into another guest room if you wanted.